So hello, Mike. So tell us your name. I guess I already said your name.
Well,
and the years of service and what branch of service that you serve with.
yes, I'm Michael W. Baumstark, so you don't confuse me with one of my sons by the same name. That's been a real problem. So I did a little over 20 years in the Navy. I was a helicopter pilot, and I was a military intelligence officer.
All right. So tell me about your business. I guess businesses.
Yeah. So I do a few things, but just real quickly. So I'm a small business health insurance specialist. I advise small businesses on the best options for their health insurance coverage, which is a big problem these days. I try to solve. I also have a company called Skills for Life Workshop, and that is to help people get introductions and basic information about knowledge they'd like to have, skills, trades, teach kids about finance, things like that, which we're opening a facility soon. And then third thing I do is I work with my daughter under her company, and she's got a company called Blue Eye Perspectives Photography, and I'm her video production subcontractor right now. So we do videos for businesses, etc.
Man, it sounds like you got a lot of businesses. What's your motivation behind it?
I actually really love enhancing the lives of people. I did spend some time as a part-time pastor of a church. I like to see people's lives improve. My sort of motto is knowledge for a better life.
Wow, that's awesome.
Yeah.
So how does my audience get in touch with you?
Well, I'm giving you the business card information, but the quickest way is just to email me at strongtree2016@gmail. That's the main email I use these days. So, and then of course my cell phone. If you want to text, you'll probably have that listed. But yep, I appreciate you talking to me. And again, my whole purpose is: can we enhance people's lives? Can we help them have a better situation? I don't care if they're in the United States or if they're in Africa. We want to enhance people's lives.
Well, thank you so much. I appreciate everything you do, and then also thank you for your service.
Thank you very much.
All right.